Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to secure your Modic tokens by transferring them from Coinbase to your Ledger Nano X, you're in the right place. In this quick 2025 guide, we'll walk through the process step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. Modic, also known as Modic, is the native token for the Polygon network, and moving it to a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X is a smart way to protect your assets from online hacks. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Coinbase account with Modic in it, a properly set up Ledger Nano X device, and the Ledger Live app installed on your computer. If you haven't set up your Ledger yet, pause this video and do that now, it's crucial for security. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Unlock your Ledger Nano X and open the Ethereum app on it. Why Ethereum? Because Modic operates on the Ethereum blockchain, so we need to use that app to generate your wallet address. Once it's open, connect your Ledger to your computer via USB and open Ledger Live. Step 2. In Ledger Live, go to the Accounts section and select or add your Ethereum account. This will display your wallet address. Double check that it's correct, as you'll be sending real crypto here. Copy this address carefully. Step 3. Head over to your Coinbase account. Log in. Navigate to your Modic wallet, and click on the Send or Withdraw option. Paste the wallet address from your Ledger into the recipient field. Make sure to select Modic as the asset you're sending. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but remember to leave some buffer for network fees. Review everything. Double-check the address to avoid any mistakes, then confirm the transaction. Coinbase will process it, and you'll see a confirmation email or notification. Finally, Step 5. Wait for the transaction to confirm on the blockchain. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary. Once it's done, check your Ledger Live app to verify that your Modic has arrived safely. Pro tip. Always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Modic to your Ledger Nano X. This keeps your tokens offline and secure. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.